Welcome to My Meeting Card, your new meeting verification mobile app available on both Apple and Android devices. You can find our mobile app in both the Google Play or Apple stores online. Once you've found and downloaded the app to your mobile device, creating a new account is easy. Just click Sign Up at the bottom of the home screen to fill out the form and create your account. It's that simple. We only ask for pertinent information and your info is 100% secure in our database. Your name and email information will be used only for your meeting verification reports for the other party. You may visit our website to learn more about My Meeting Card mobile app, as we've created many tutorials to make it easier for users like yourself. If you still have questions, please send us an email through the website at mymeetingcard.com and someone will respond in 24 to 48 hours. We thank you for stopping by, and please subscribe to our email list or YouTube channel for more important updates and information to come.